Hey guys! So today I got one squishy. And guys, I just got back from gymnastics, so yeah. Okay, so let's open it. So I went, of course, to the Dollar Tree. Like, it was like, I literally get like all my squishies from like the Dollar Tree. Which I actually don't, but I get mostly all of them. Not that much, but they're actually very successful there. So I recommend you guys to go to the Dollar Tree. Anyway, so let's open. So guys, I've been searching for the searching, and it's called the Water Wriggler sweat. So yeah, and there was no pink one, but there was only two left, and they were the same color. There he is, the yellow one. So guys, let's open it. Okay, guys, so we got it open. I think this is how you do it. It's like, wait. Oh, wait, that's kind of cool. Oh, whoa, it's like slippery. Whoa. Wait, guys, it's like glittery, like slippery. It kind of feels like, it kind of looks like mac. You guys know what I love doing with this. Let's try it one more time. But I love doing this with it too. It's cool. Oh. It's like so much fun. I think you guys, if you guys don't have this, I think you guys should get this because, whoa, it's really fun. Whoa. Ooh. It kind of looks like mac and cheese. To me it does, I don't know. It's cool, I like it. Anyways guys, this is what I got. Bye!